There's actually more to this than what meets the eye. First of all, let's turn it off. I have already undone all the screws. As you see, it's a reflector with a light in the middle. Take it apart. It really is just an LED. The original LED failed. This is a new one I've put in. But let's carry on. Let's zoom in for you. As you see, there is more to it than what you would think. Drive motor here goes to a pulley here, which then goes to a belt that drives this pulley, which then in turn has a belt that goes round to this pulley that turns the actual reflector. Yes, you can change the LED to any colour you like. I was thinking of putting a colour changing LED in it, but then again, what would be the point? Because it only comes with a blue lens. It's powered by 3 AA cells. Interesting though. For the absolute curious of you, here you go. The central shaft is where the reflector connects to. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to support the channel, please buy me a coffee. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.